Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CHK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I offer an explanation video at that link. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways, just to establish some context here. But very, very nice movement on the day. I mean, you stop and think about the fact that the price started off the day down here and then ultimately worked its way all the way up to that point. So definitely a nice overall day, but that leads to the valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? And I have no idea. But by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area. And that area is down here at $9.50. Why is $9.50 important? Well, I'm not saying this is what's going to actually happen. But one potential scenario is that the price comes down here and then just continues on down. At that point, what would you have? Well, from a very literal perspective, you would quite literally have the price right back inside of that range that it just broke out of. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. Whereas on the flip side of things, if the price were to come down here, behave in that manner, then start to work its way back upwards, now all of a sudden what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have that set down there if you envision each of those as stair steps. Well, hey, there you go. Now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And again, in this situation, quote unquote, progress being defined as $9.50. On the flip side of things, as far as areas of resistance are concerned, nothing fancy or complicated here. Party and momentum finally stopped today right up around 1225. So 1225 will be public enemy number one headed into next week. But all in all, any way you look at it, very nice volume today, very nice bounce. And now just a question of, can the price continue to show signs of progress and build upon this momentum? Let's see what happens with it next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.